Hey guys, so it is me. I am back. If you didn't notice, I'm sure most of you did if you tried to get on my channel within like the whole month of January, my channel got hacked, so I had to go through this like whole thing with Google and YouTube and my email and like all this stuff. So I finally got my channel back. I got all my videos back. Thank God. So I have to make all of them public again, but I have all of them, so I am doing that now. And yeah, so I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know I have my channel back. I am sorry I was gone for so long, but I got hacked. I literally just got my channel back. Like, I was emailing with them every day. It finally got fixed. So I am back. There will be new videos soon. I just wanted to make this little video to let you guys know that I didn't just disappear off the face of the planet. I was hacked and it sucked really bad. So thank God it's all over with and fixed. So I will see you guys soon, and I love you all so much, and thank you Google, YouTube, that I got everything back. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. I love you. Bye.